In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. We're going to take you through this process step by step to ensure you can do it yourself with ease. Let's jump right in and get started with this straightforward workflow. To begin, navigate to the QuickBooks Online website and log into your account. Having access to your QuickBooks account is essential as it serves as the centralized hub for all your bookkeeping tasks. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll see a button marked with a plus symbol labeled New. Clicking on this opens a drop-down menu with various transaction types you can initiate within your system. Next, from this drop-down, select Sales Receipt. This action will open a new form where you can input all the necessary details related to the receipt you wish to create. Start by selecting either an existing customer or adding a new one if they aren't already in your system. This information will help you manage your customer interactions and ensure proper record keeping. Now proceed to add the customer's email address. This step, while seemingly small, is crucial for sending digital copies of sales receipts directly to your customers, ensuring fast and efficient communication. Moving on, choose a date for your sales receipt. The date is automatically set to the current day, but you can adjust it based on your specific needs for record accuracy. The next step involves selecting a payment method. QuickBooks allows you to manage different methods customers might use, which could include credit card, bank transfer, or other options you might have enabled in your settings. Identifying the payment method ensures that your records match the actual transaction details. While it's not mandatory, you can also add a reference number. This step can help track the transaction more efficiently, especially if it's associated with a larger order or previous dealings. Decide to which account the funds should be deposited. Setting the correct deposit account will ensure that your cash flow records remain accurate. As we continue, let's move on to adding the product or service line items. Here you specify what exactly the customer is being charged for. These details provide clarity in your financial reports and help in inventory management if applicable. After adding the necessary products or services, enter their respective amounts. Double-check that these values are correctly input, reflecting what was agreed upon with the customer. Additionally, assess whether the items listed are taxable or not. This ensures you are following appropriate tax regulations, which can vary depending on location and product type. Finally, once you've reviewed all the information for accuracy, locate the Save and Close button at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will not only save your receipt, but also close the form, completing the process. And there you have it. You have successfully created a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for following along with our guide, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.